Hi everyone, Hannah here. Sorry for the delay. I had this video recorded a while ago, but then came down with COVID, and so it took a few days to get over that, but then I was still congested from it, and my voice was absolutely horrible. And so I did not want to do a voiceover, or talk in the video with that voice. It was just horrible. So anyway, basically this tutorial is just a few more page spreads. I'm still on my first signature, and there's quite a few pages within that first signature, and I'm just incorporating some more of the supplies that you received in your kit. Right now I'm decoupaging a piece of napkin. I just like to cut out different parts of the napkin, and then I use the glue and I just paint the glue on, and I just like doing that, just some different elements to add to the page. So the next thing I want to do is incorporate this cute card. I absolutely love it. And I want to tape it to where it will flip out. And the blank spaces inside the card, I could just glue down some photos or tape some photos on it. And it'll just work as a nice white matte border around the picture. So I'm just going to tape that on there. And I had a couple of little stickers that I wanted to add. There's some cute little stickers. They look like postage stamps, and they've got different Christmassy and wintry scenes on them. So I wanted to add that. I just thought that would, just be another little element to add on here. And I love doing flip outs with envelopes, cards. It's just a great way to utilize storage space, add some storage space to your junk journal or to your altered book. So now I want to use some of this vintage sewing pattern. So I'm just kind of measuring and just tearing down and then I'll be gluing it directly onto the page. So I inked the edge of this journaling card, and I'm going to glue it down on two sides so that it will make like a little tuck spot. And that way I can just tuck some things in right behind it. So for the rest of the video, it'll just be a couple more page spreads. Just giving you some ideas, just giving you some inspiration. These are just very simple little layouts, and I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know, and that way I can put it in the next video. If there or certain techniques that you would like to try or questions that you have, just feel free to let me know. So I still have some pages left in this signature. For now, I'm just going to leave them blank. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck this in to the elastic cord inside my book. I do still have several signatures that I still need to finish, but this video just gives you some ideas of how to finish out each of your signatures. And again, if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thanks so much for watching.